passive. Okay. Yes, student, if you want to ask anything regarding this passive voice, you can ask. Yes, any doubt regarding passive voice? Regarding passive voice, is there any doubt you can ask? Just for 5 to 10 minutes, I'll revise this passive voice and once again we'll move on to the next topic. इसके बाद हम अपना next topic करेंगे. Yes. Okay. Once again, those who have joined late, passive voice. There is a standard rule for any sentence structure. एक sentence कैसे बनता है normally? Subject, these are the main parts. Helping verb, main verb according to the tense and object. Tense and object. Now, what is the rule for passive voice? Object you have to convert into subject, and there is always helping verb according to the tense, number and person. Tense, number and person. Then there is always third form in passive voice, and then by, except a few verbs. कुछ verb है जिनमें by का use नहीं होता, that we have already discussed. Except those verbs, otherwise you have to put by. And there are certain other conditions if the subject is known to everyone. अगर subject के बारे में सबको पता है और subject is unknown, किसी के बारे में नहीं पता. Verb and then object. Then object. Subject will be converted into object. This will be your standard rule for passive voice. This will be your standard rule, permanent rule for passive voice. Passive voice के लिए ये rule हमेशा ही रहेगा. And subject and object, it is only of the person, first person, second person, and third person. It will be converted into subject and object. Means we will have different word in first person. One first person I, and object is me. Second we, object is us. You, object is you. Means these words will act as an object. ये object होगा. This is subject. You can go into the first person also. This is second person, second, first, and if you go to the third person, he, she, it, names, they. Again, if a him, it will be converted into. It means what I want to say, if him is there, it means you have to convert into the subject, and he will be there. Okay, like this. And if he is subject, it will be converted into him. Like this, you have to convert. His time will act as a object, and his time will act as a subject. Okay, this is personal pronoun table. You might come across this one. ये आपको पहले आ चुकी है. Then type of sentence, I think we discussed. This is the permanent rule. Okay, and as the in the tenses, different tenses, अलग-अलग tense में we were changing only this helping verb. ये helping verb change कर रहे थे. Once you can have a just revision, just a fast revision. Helping verb, present tense is MR, present tense is MR, and past tense was verb. Future, you can say will or shall be. Will or shall, and then you have to use be. Was verb, always there is third form, and if there is a ing form, ing, if anywhere it is ing, first form ing, what you have to use? Being plus third form. It means ing, it will be converted into being, and the first form it will be in the third form. There is always third form to the passive voice. Okay. In case there is a have or has or had, you have to add been only. Already we will have third form with the have, has, and have. We will have third form in a sentence structure. So हमारा sentence pattern है. We will have this third form, and then added it will be added. Okay. If you go through this one, whatever the verb is, if suppose it is past indefinite, was verb and ing, it means same was verb. Ing will be converted to being. And any model you have to use. Model के साथ क्या use करना है? Be. Same model will be used because models they are the specific verb. जो स्पेसिफिक होती है एंड सेम मॉडल विल बी यूज्ड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पर्सन और नंबर, कोई भी नंबर हो ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सब्जेक्ट इफ इट इज डिफर स्टिल मॉडल विल रिमेन सेम, वो मॉडल वही रहेगा, उसके साथ बी एंड देन थर्ड, उसके साथ में थर्ड फॉर्म, कौन सी फॉर्म यूज होगी, थर्ड फॉर्म। Okay, so if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Okay, you can raise your hand. I'll see if any doubt. And then we talked about this one, imperative sentence. Imperative, imperative sentence. It means according to the mood of the sentence. Mood. You have to add. You are ordered, asked, advised, requested, or prohibited. These are the words you have to, and after that you do and same sentence को आपने वही sentence use करना, okay? And this is the then there is, we talked about the sentence which are having the subject which is known to everyone, common, and then there are some miscellaneous sentences. For example, sugar taste bitter, and in the order type we can use that subject it will be converted into object D and like this. This was the formula. This was the rule we have already written. Okay. If you want to ask anything regarding this one, now you can ask specific any type of problem you face. You can raise your hand, and I'll ask the host to unmute you if you want to ask anything. Students, if you want to ask anything regarding this topic, you can ask. Yes, you can ask if you want to ask anything. Okay. Is in passive voice, if you want to ask anything, you raise your hand, and I'll ask request the host to unmute you so that we can talk, we can discuss on particular point. Otherwise, this topic was explained to you, and I just given a brief summary what was there. Okay, so please, you can, if you are having any problem, you raise your hand, you have to switch on your camera, and then you will be allowed to talk. तब आपको बात करने के लिए बोल दिया जाएगा. You please try to raise your hand if you want to ask anything. अगर कुछ भी आपने पूछना है, you can ask anything, you can ask any doubt regarding this one. Yes. Come on. Anyone wants to ask anything? Yes. Anyone wants to ask anything regarding this? You can ask now. Come on, students. Come on, come on. If you want to ask anything, anyone, just raise your hand. Any students, if you want to ask anything, raise your hand. Raise your hand, please. Anyone wants to ask anything? अगर किसी ने भी पूछना, just raise your hand. This is final call. After that, just I'll start the another topic. दूसरा टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे हम. Come on, students. Yes. So I think there is no doubt. Students. Okay, let's start with the another topic. We'll start with another topic. Yes. Let's start with that. Now listen to your grammar section. Now first let's talk. Your total grammar section, it will carry 10 marks. Will carry 10 marks, and there will be three questions. Three questions regarding your grammar. There will be three questions, and marks will be 3 plus 3 plus 4, 10 marks. There will be three questions. First question will carry 3 marks. It is given the all questions are multiple choice. Okay, this is all all the questions are MCQ type, multiple choice question. Whether it is a your topics are already given. I think tenses, subject verb agreement, determiners, prepositions, passive voice, reported speech, and all those questions. It will be in multiple choice, and there will be 10 marks question for the grammar section. 3 plus 3. Now questions. This is marks. These are marks. Okay, 10 marks. 10 marks. And your question will be 3 questions in the first, 3 in the second, but in the last there will be 6. Yes. Okay, let's see. Grammar section, students, grammar section, it will carry 10 marks. After 10 marks, there will be 3 questions. 3 marks, 3 marks, and 4 marks total. But questions, in the last questions, it will be 6 questions. Okay, in the last question, it will have 6 questions, and you have to attempt only 4. आपने कोई भी 4 attempt. Okay, and all the question will be of multiple choice. Your reported speech, fill in the blanks, and your multiple choice. Maybe anything, maybe for tenses, you can say tenses, prepositions, determiners, articles, and all. Okay, this one, and your passive voice, reported speech, and all this. Okay, this will be your grammar section. Grammar section according to the board pen. Now let's start with the new topic. Grammar only this one. This many topics will be covered now, and let's start with the another topic. Okay. Now letters. Letters. Now letter. First, we will talk about the formal letters. Formal letters, you have to understand the proper layout of it. What is the layout? First, on the top, there will be sender's address. यहाँ पर सबसे पहले क्या होगा? Sender's address. Sender's address. Write it properly. Name of the place, colony, sector, or anything. Okay, and then after that, city, and then in the next line, your date. The place will be there. After that, for example, it is from the question only. It is from your question. It will be given in question. You are so and so. Means you are a resident of so and so area. You are living at so and so place. You can write anything. 610. Like this. If it is a village, then you have to write the district. If it is a village, then write the main city. Then after that, you write date. Date, you must write only like this, May 26, 2021. This 26 you can bring. ये 26 आप पहले ला सकते हो, only that is the difference. Otherwise, this is the only way to write date. Normally, we write this one like this 521. Examination point of view, it is not allowed. So first, what you have to write? Address here, and after that, name of the place, and then sender's address. You can write. Then address of the address. Sender's address, date, address of address. Where you are writing the letter. Where you are writing a letter. जिसको भी आप letter लिख रहे हो, to and all, it is not required to write it. इसका format ध्यान से सुन लेना. Otherwise you will have means there will be a problem and your marks will be low. If your format is clear, at least your maximum part will be okay. Because part of that body of the letter, you have to write from the question. You have to just analyze, you have to just think over what is the question and what you can answer. Okay, that is a separate, but your format and layout must be correct. ये बिल्कुल सही. Address, for example, you can write any address to the sales manager, the sales manager. Okay. So, for example, if you want to place an order for anything, okay, ABC or sports food, A to Z in sports, A to Z in sports. Address, name of the place, Chandigarh. Okay. Sector and all you can write. Sector 22, sector 32, Chandigarh, you can write. Because that is the exact address. Sector here, sector 22, Chandigarh. Like this you can write. Okay. So the address, first sender's address, the address of the address, address of the address. Then you have to write the you have to write the subject. This one is order from sports to orders for sports book. Okay. Any order for sports items, sports food and all. Then means as a shopkeeper also you can place an order, or from the school also sometimes you have to place an order as a physical training instructor and all. Yeah, your sports instructor, as a sports instructor or as a principal, as a vice principal, you may be allowed, you may be asked to place an order. आपने order place करना है. Okay. Then you have to write the, now next is the, after sir, letter, body of body of body of letter. For example, we are having a sports meet in the next week. For that we may be required with the following sports item, following sports item. Kindly send it as soon as possible, but make sure that before sending pack it properly to avoid any damage. Then you write the name of the sports item. उनके sports item के नाम लिख. That is a body part, body of the letter. After this one, sir, subject, address of the addressee, date, sender's address, date, sender's address. And then we move on to the next. Closing. Yours. Yes. You please try to note down address of the addressee. On this side, you can write what you have to write. Sender's address, date, address of the addressee. Where you have to write the letter, some proper letter. Then subject, salutation, how you can call me, salutation, and subscription, closing. Subscription, closing. Closing means yours truly, yours faithfully, and yours sincerely and all. Okay, yours truly, your here you have to write, and this yours actually yours truly, sincerely, faithfully and obediently we are writing for the principal. Okay, yours truly, yours sincerely, yours faithfully, and yours. Normally we are committing mistake in write. We write like this. Okay, it is wrong. It is totally wrong. We are writing is yours. Is yours. No comma. No comma is to be no comma is to be used in the yours to be yours sincerely thanking you. In this you have to write. Once again, you can go to this one. See, these are the parts of letters. ये letter के part हैं. First, you have to write the address, sender service, अपना address. That will be given in the question. Okay. Suppose it is not given, then what you have? First of all, you can write even examination hall. This will be your address. Of course, address will be given. Examination hall, place ABC, and then date again. 26, on which you are writing this letter. जिस दिन आप ये letter लिखो, you have to write that ABC, place ABC, you can write like this. And examination hall, this will be your permanent address and this student, and maybe like date can be as you can write 26 May 2021. Right? This is the only way to write. आपको date ये लिखने का. Okay. This is all about your formal letter. Formal letter which you are writing to the unknown person. Unknown person, concerned authorities and all, writing in the office, writing a complaint and all, placing order, cancelling the order, cancellation of orders and all, and returning the damaged item, damaged sports food and all. If suppose during this one delivery time when you opened that one and the consignment and all, and you found that the items are damaged, you can write the letter to the concerned sales manager. जो भी वहाँ का सेल्स मैनेजर है और जो भी उनके लिए आप. Then after this one is writing this one. Today I'll send you first of all some letters so that you can have a practice. You can write that one and so that you can come to know how the letters will be. Okay, mainly you have to keep in mind. You have to search from the question how we can. This is very important part. Writing layout and all is very important part. And try to write this layout before. Try to write the letter only on the fresh page. Only on the fresh page you write. So you have to place a order. Okay. Place a order. Items, woolen clothes, summer clothes, ready-made clothes, and all. You place a order. You are running a shop. You have to do that one. What you have to write after some now. Okay. You can write as a teacher. Suppose you are placing an order, so you can write. We are organizing sports meet. Sports meet. As capital. And also capital. Sports meet in second week, third week, third week of June. So that we are in need of the following sports item. Now you write down the sports item. Write down your items. After the items, for example, football item 1. Football, you can write 5. 56, you can write like this. And then you keep on writing next, volleyball, next. Volleyball, 5 again, you can write 5, you can write 22. Even the make and company name also, what is the brand name, you can write. Brand also, if you want particular brand, so kindly pack it properly to avoid any sort of damage and send it as soon as. Okay, it will not expose third week. You want it item received after, you can write the date after 15th June rather or 15th July. Item received because we are organizing in the third week. Third week means it may be after 15, 16 only. So you can write here the item received after 15th July will not be accepted. Will not be accepted. बिल्कुल accept नहीं होंगे. You are giving the item. Okay. And finally, make sure that quality, good quality, standard quality. You can write this one, and it must be packed properly. और वो अच्छे से pack. So in that, that is the body of the letter that you have to write about the. That is what you have to write. It will be explained in the question. Okay, but how you have to write? That is the layout or format of the. ये उस letter का. Yes, you can raise your hand. Yes, anything if you want to ask. If you want to ask anything, please raise your hand. Students, if you want to ask anything, you can raise your hand. अपने hand raise कर लो if you want to ask anything. Students, yes, from the previous topic or any topic, still if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Come on, students. No one. And students, you start sending your homework PDF. Yes, all the students, please note, send your homework PDF today up to the previous chapter, up to passive-wise, up to the topic covered passive-wise. Send your homework PDF, please, everyone, and write your particular properly. You are from Raman, Klam, or whatever it is. Okay, write your particular properly and send your homework. आप अपना homework मेरे पास भेजना इसमें सभी. Yes, students, send your homework. Send your homework, student, please. We'll go for writing one letter. एक letter लिखते हैं हम. Yes, you can write that one. Write down this question. An old car was left on the street. Here you an old car. You can write this question. An old car. An old car was left. An old car was left on the street. On the street near your house, weeks near your house a week ago. A week ago. A week ago. The car is now posing a problem. The car is posing a great problem for the residents. Okay. For the residents. The car is write a letter. Write a letter. You can write the letter to the concerned authority. Okay, you can write the letter to the police regarding this one, or you can write the letter to the deputy commissioner. Write a letter to the SHO of your area. Your area. Write a letter to the SHO of your area and asking for immediate action. Or area asking for immediate action. He's asking for asking for immediate action. Like this way. Okay, this is the question. You are now you are notice secretary, notice secretary, RWA, RWA, Ashok Nagar, Ashok Nagar, address. Okay, this is your address. This is secretary of RWA, Resident Welfare Association. Resident Welfare Association. Okay. Here you can write on the top RWA. Now address. How you are going to write this one? Now you start forming the format of this. इसका एक format बनाना है. Okay. First, where you have to write the letter? The SHO, Station House Officer. Station House Officer, same Ashok Nagar and this address. Okay, let's see how you are going to make it. First, you write down your address. Come on, try to write your address. RWA Ashok Nagar, Ashok Nagar, Panipat. Panipat का name of the place. Okay, then you write date. Right? Date. Okay, today's date is May 26, 2021. Then you write the address of the addressee. Where you have to write the SHO. Station. Station House Officer. Same police station. Right? Next, now your subject. Problem created by a car. There you can write. Okay. Problem of some unknown car. Okay. Car park near my near house. Near house. Near my house, near area, particular place you can. Okay. In the street, you can write the problem of car parked in the street. That also you can write in the street. Car parked in the street. And then you start writing, sir, when it was parked, why it was parked, what is the problem, what is the number, car and all. You can give the details. It is parked for the last 1 week and it is causing a great problem. Therefore, you are requested to take the appropriate step, find out the owner, and the car must be taken in your custody to avoid unnecessary problem for the resident of this area. यहाँ के resident के लिए जो problem आ रही है, immediately must be taken into the custody, and the suitable action or strict action to be taken against the defaulter. उस defaulter के against में action must be taken because that was not a parking place. वो कोई parking की जगह है. Okay, like this way. And then yours, and again yours will be, you can Right. Yes. Sincerely, truly. Right. Okay. So you can write anything. Yours truly, yours sincerely, your faith. Okay. So I'll be sending you some letters, PDF of some letters to try to attend. Thank you. Yes. Anyone wants to ask anything? Okay, I think yes, students. If you want to ask anything, otherwise you can wind up. Okay, sir, wind up the meeting.